Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Beatbot AquaSense 2, a 2025 upgrade cordless robotic pool vacuum that delivers intelligent, hands-free cleaning for your pool. If you want a smart, powerful, and convenient solution for pool maintenance, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It cleans floors, walls, and the waterline with a powerful 200W brushless main pump delivering 5,500 GPH suction. The 10,000 mAh battery provides up to 4 hours of floor cleaning or 3.5 hours for walls and waterline on a single charge, covering pools up to 3,230 square feet. CleverNav navigation uses a 4-core CPU and 16 sensors, including 2 ultrasonic for intelligent S-path floor and N-path wall cleaning. Double pass scrubbing tackles the waterline twice per pass for a deeper clean. Smart surface parking automatically floats the robot to the pool's edge after cleaning or when battery is low, with SmartDrain releasing water for easy retrieval. Wireless charging dock provides safe, cord-free power in just 4 hours. Automotive-Grade IMR coating resists UV and heat. Includes a 3-year comprehensive warranty with full machine replacement. Real-world reviews praise its exceptional cleaning performance, effortless wall climbing, and effective grime removal. The app provides detailed cleaning logs and one-touch parking control. However, like most pool robots, it cannot clean stairs, and some users with complex pool shapes recommend the Pro version for better fit. If you want a premium cordless robotic pool cleaner with smart navigation and effortless retrieval, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.